All right, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our box break series 6. So, this is a 9 box mixer ranging from 2012 2013 to 2014 2015. Um, but before that, we'll just have a recap. All right, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our box break series 6. So, this is a 9 box mixer. All right, so we'll just have a recap of the team. So we have Renren for Blazers, Ryan for Pacers and Grizzlies, John Michael for Wizards, Ryan Rimas for Utah Jazz, KP Allegro Golden State Warriors, Vincent Sixers, Brent DeLima Miami, Ryan Rimas Detroit, Ryan Reyes Hawks and Raptors. Eismer's slot has been sold to Edgar Halili for Dallas Mavericks, Edgar Halili for Wolves, John Michael Pelicans, Ryan Paul Celtics, Alvin Spurs, Giancarlo Rockets, Ryan Reyes Thunder, Moki Cavs, Edgar Magic, John Michael Clippers, Renren Lakers, Alejandro Bulls, um, Gian Nets, Ryan Paul Nuggets and Kings, KP Allegro Knicks, Vincent Box, and lastly Justin Hornets and Suns. All right, so again we're going to break Timeless Treasures 2013, um, Elite 2012 2013 Elite Series, and then Gold Standard 2012 2013 as well, and then for 2013-14 we have Innovation, Titanium, and then of course the Exquisite. And 2014 we'll have Court Kings, Totally Certified, and um, Excalibur Premium. Okay, so we're going to break first the lower end boxes. First up with the 2012-2013 Timeless Treasures. Okay, so I hope everyone's watching. Let me just. But for those who were not able to watch, of course, I'll be posting this in the groups. Okay, so good luck, everyone. So for this 2012-2013, we have Kobe pack. Of course, that will go to the Lakers. Most of the 2012-2013 um, box have Kobe anthology packs. Right, so let me just arrange this. So we have base, 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 and base, base. So we have our first box, Timeless Treasures 12-13. We have Michael Beasley for Suns, Derrick Rose for Bulls, Kevin Martin for Thunder, Ramon Sessions for Hornets, or should I say Bobcats. And we have our first hit for San Antonio Spurs. This is numbered 68 to 1 of 199. We have an on-card auto of Danny Green. Alright, that's our first hit. And we have a redemption 2012-2013 Timeless Treasures Glass Rookie Autographs Gold. So this is, I think this is will go to Sixers. So the player is Tony Roten. Glass Rookie Autographs Gold. And then the last hit. So this is number 265 of 499. For box, we have the Glass Rookie of Tobias Harris. Just focus here. Yeah, there. Tobias Harris. Okay, that's it for our first box. So we're going to have the next low box, probably titanium, lower end box. This is 2013-14 titanium. We expect 2 autographs and 3 memorabilias for this box. This have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 packs. First pack for titanium. For Golden State Warriors, we have Harrison Barnes. Nets, we have Paul Pierce. And then for Dallas, we have Sean Marion. And our first hit for titanium, we have for Houston Rockets, not numbered, New Wave autograph, Patrick Beverley. Yeah. For box, we have Larry Sanders. Utah Jazz, we have Enes Kanter. And we have an insert, fundamentals, numbered 21 of 199 for San Antonio Spurs. We have Tony Parker. And we have a patch, numbered 1 of 15 for New York Knicks, 4-colored patch. Although the patch seems to be a Lakers uniform, from Lakers uniform. So we have Ron Artest or a Meta World Peace. A 3-colored patch, elements for New York Knicks, 1 of 15. So that's a purple, gold, and white patch. Probably from the Lakers uniform. So for Miami Heat, we have Dwayne Wade, Channing Frye for Suns, Greivis Vasquez for Raptors, and we have a double GU for New York Knicks again. This is numbered 15 of 279. Amari Stoudemire. Double GU. Suns, Goran Dragic, Chris Paul. For Clippers, John Wall. For Wizards. And lastly, for GU, we have not numbered Titanic GU for Houston Rockets, or this is numbered 291 of 299. Jeremy Lin, Houston Rockets. Last pack for Titanium. So I think we have 4 GU on this box. Oh, I think we get the hot box. So they said that for every mini case of Titanium, they have this hot box wherein we will get 4 GU, and one GU is a superstar patch. So I'm not sure if a Meta World Peace is a superstar, but yeah. So we got a hot box here. So James Harden, Jimmer Fredette for Kings, and for Lakers we have Pau Gasol. So the port GU on this box is for Blazers, numbered 30 of 99, Titanic. Number 0, Damian Lillard. And the last hit for this box, we have for Celtics, not numbered, New Wave autograph, Marshawn Brooks. Sticker auto. Right, that's it for Titanic. Next would be 2013, 2014 Totally Certified. So this has 4 packs. Excuse me. 4 packs and 5 cards for each pack. 4 packs. Totally Certified. For Charlotte Bobcats, we have, or Hornets, we have Kemba Walker. Bulls, we have Pau Gasol, and an RC. For Lakers, we have Julius Randle. And then for Raptors, we have blue, 131 of 149, Terrence Ross. And we have for Cavs, this is number 6 of 199. This is his previous jersey number back from Miami Heat. We have clear cloth GU of LeBron James. That's Series 6 of 199. Previous jersey number. LeBron James. Right. We have a filler. For Blazers, we have a base, base of CJ McCollum. Memphis Grizzlies, Mike Conley. We have a red parallel, 143 of 279 for Hornets again. We have Kemba Walker, red. And for Atlanta Hawks, Pistol Pete Maravich. And for Chicago Bulls, we have an autograph numbered 18 of 49. Last year's champion as a coach. Number 25, Steve Kerr. Sticker auto. Memphis Grizzlies, Zach Randolph. Timberwolves, Ricky Rubio. For Magic, we have Aaron Gordon, rookie. And for Nuggets, we have red die-cut, numbered 8 of 135, Jabal McGee. And we have a GU, number 31 of 199 for Charlotte Hornets. We have MKG, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. Clear cloth GU. Down to our last pack for titanium. For Warriors, we have last year's MVP, Steph Curry. For Spurs, David Robinson. And we have a purple die cut, number 2 of 25. For Denver Nuggets, we have Aaron Applalo. And an insert, Great American Heroes insert. For Houston Rockets, this is numbered 124 of 249 or 299. The Beard, James Harden. Focus. Let me just help this camera focus. And then our last hit for this box, numbered 191 of 249, red GU for Chicago Bulls. We have Taj Gibson. There. $191 of $249. Next is our mid-end boxes. We have for 2012-2013 Elite Series. So we are expecting one elite glass here. So as you can see, the box is transparent. We have Kobe pack, and then the Elite Series box or pack. Base. Nice card. Base and base. Okay. We have for New York Knicks. I think this is the number 7 of 275 parallel. Rasheed Wallace. Rasheed Wallace. Numbered on 39 of 275 for Pistons. Rodney Stuckey. There. Rodney Stuckey. This is a great looking base card. Rodney Stuckey. And then for Milwaukee Bucks, we have 184 of 275. Drew Gooden. And this is a rookie card for Cavs, number 33 of 249. Tristan Thompson for Cavs. Rookie parallel. There. And we have our first hit for Atlanta Hawks, 19 of 199. An on-card autograph, Court Kings, Mr. Dominic Wilkins, numbered 19 of 199. On-card autograph on a canvas. Let's focus there. Dominic Wilkins. And we have a redemption. Court Kings autographs white canvas. I'll have to check what under what team this player is. So we have Ed Davis. Ed Davis. We have an encryption acetate for LA Lakers rookie card, not numbered. Rookie inscriptions. So we have Robert Sacre. Robert Sacre. For Toronto Raptors, number 60 of 249 sticker auto, elite signings. Kyle Lowry. Elite signings, Kyle Lowry. And then an insert, we have number 47 of 99 for Houston Rockets. This is Class Masters insert, number 11, Yao Ming. And we have our Elite Glass Master. This will go to the Lakers. Number 32. Magic Johnson. Alright. That's it for Elite Series. Let me just... Okay. So our next box will be from 2013-2014 Innovation. So this box contains 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia and a chance for a Kaboom. 2013-2014 Kaboom. So Kaboom is a case hit. No Kabooms in this box. So we have for Utah Jazz, another Enes Kanter card. This is a clear view card. Utah Jazz. For Los Angeles Lakers, SWAT team. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. SWAT team, not numbered. And for Thunder, we have not numbered. This is an insert. Stained glass insert. KD, Kevin Durant. For Utah Jazz again, memorabilia. GU, not numbered. Or sorry, that's 9 of 99. Derek Favors, Utah Jazz. Another hit for Atlanta Hawks. Game jersey autographs. Numbered 111 of 199. Steve Smith. Steve Smith. And our last hit for Innovation. For Washington Wizards, main exhibit autographs 108 of 149. Washington Wizards, Marcin Gortat. There. Marcin Gortat. For Wizards. Next is 2014-2015 Court Kings. This has a box topper and 1 pack. And for our box topper, I need to be careful because I'll be reusing this. For Orlando Magic, we have Elfrid Payton box topper. Not the autograph version. We'll take it. Alfred Payton. Nice. Nice. So this is a good box. Okay. So we have a rookie autograph, or sorry, rookie base of Bruno Caboclo for Raptors. John Wall for Wizards base. And for Bulls, we have Pau Gasol. For Sacramento Kings, we have Rudy Gay. For Sixers, Tony Rotten. New aesthetic insert rookie for Bulls, Doug McDermott. And for Charlotte Hornets, but I think this will go to the Pelicans. Expressionist insert Larry Johnson. And we have for portraits. Number 3 of 99 Ruby for Atlanta Hawks. Rookie Adrian Payne. Dada. Yes, baby. We have Artistic Endeavor for Lakers. GU. Numbered 115 of 299. Artistic Endeavors. Number 24. Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant. And then we have our main hit. It's number 2 of 10 for New York Knicks. We have a patch autograph of Mr. Carmelo Anthony. It's a sticker. Sketches and swatches. Patch autograph. Thread coming out from the window. Court Kings Carmelo Anthony. Number 2 of 10. Carmelo Anthony. Nice hit. So that's it for our boxes. So right now, what we have left are Gold Standard. So we'll have Gold Standard first, and then Excalibur, and then the last one will be the Exquisite. So for Gold Standard, good luck, everyone. And Kobe Anthology Pack, and the pack of Gold Standard. So this should be the last anthology pack we'll have for tonight. So base, and then base. Okay. Okay. We have a first base 262 of 249 or 349 for Brooklyn Nets. CJ Watson. CJ Watson. And then for Dallas Mavericks, we have 215 of 349. OJ Mayo. OJ Mayo. That's the metal gold standard. We'll have it for later. So for Indiana Pacers, we have 41 of 349. Gerald Green. Denver Nuggets, we have 239 of 349. Jabal McGee. Shakatina Pool. For Utah Jazz, we have 224 of 349. John Stockton. We have a gold standard insert for Indiana Pacers. 189 of 199. Gold standard insert. Paul George. There, so we have for gold standard metal for Lakers, Elgin Baylor, the solid metal. Lakers, Elgin Baylor. We have our first GU for Clippers, number 78 of 149, black gold GU. For Clippers, we have DeAndre Jordan. Focus. There. Focus. 78 of 149, black gold. We have our first auto for Detroit Pistons. GU auto. Not numbered. Not numbered. Detroit Pistons. Kim English. On card auto. Kim English. And for Magic. Not numbered. GU auto of Maurice Harkless. Maurice Harkless. On card auto. For Toronto Raptors, again, this is GU auto, not numbered. Quincy AC. And our last hit for tonight, for gold standard box, for San Antonio Spurs, rookie GU autograph of Mr. Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi Leonard for San Antonio Spurs. That will be for, I think that's for Albin Anido. Kawhi Leonard. Last two box remains. This time we're going to open Excalibur. Last time I opened a box of Excalibur, I hit a Kyrie Irving Kaboom. So hopefully we'll have Kaboom as well on this box. So we have for 4 packs with 15 cards on each pack. We'll have the team first. We have Parallel Red, Jordan Clarkson, rookie. Dallas Mavericks, Tyson Chandler, Nerlens Noel, MCW, Michael Carter Williams, Andre Bargnani, JJ Redick, Jeremy Lin, Brandon Jennings, Jose Calderon, Thaddeus Young. And then we have an insert juggernauts for Utah Jazz, the Mailman, Karl Malone. This is not numbered. And then for Lakers, juggernauts, Will Chamberlain. Another juggernaut insert for Houston Rockets this time, the Beard, James Harden. And we have a blue Crusade insert, number 38 of 149 for Washington Wizards, Paul Pierce, blue. So earlier we have Chicago Bulls Steve Kerr, and now we're going to have another Chicago Bulls, Majestic Marks, 90s Bulls team, Luke Longley, Chicago Bulls Majestic Marks. Next pack. We have Gary Harris, Rajon Rondo, Darren Collison, OJ Mayo, Amir Johnson, Chandler Parsons, focus. There. Chandler Parsons, Monta Ellis, Danny Green, Tim Hardaway Jr., Wilson Chandler, and an insert, Nobility, not numbered, for Cavs, LBJ, LeBron James. And for Lakers, Nobility, Robert Hardy. Another Lakers Nobility insert, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Another blue Crusade, this time for Dallas Mavericks, numbered 67 or 87 of 149, Monta Ellis. Another Majestic Marks autograph for New York Knicks, not numbered, Allan Houston. Majestic Marks. Last 2 packs for Excalibur. We have Marc Gasol, Langston Galloway, Ross Smith, Noah Vonleh, James Young, Sim Buller, rookie, Kyle Korver, Hawks, another Hawks, Paul Millsap, Tariq Black, rookie, Lakers, Gary Harris, Elijah Millsap, Jazz, Dwight Powell, Soren Dragic, and for Sixers insert, we have Slam Inc., Dr. J, Julius Erving. And last card for this third pack is for Charlotte Hornets, number 5 of 60, Orange Die-Cut Crusade, Mo Williams. Mo Williams. Last pack for Excalibur. Excalibur, we have Evan Fournier, Goran Dragic, LeBron James, Solomon Hill, James Harden, Dwight Howard, Jordan Adams, Doug McDermott, Zach LaVine, Jordan Clarkson, Night Court insert for Dallas Mavericks, Monta Ellis. For Suns, we have Eric Bledsoe, Night Court, and another Night Court insert for Wizards, John Wall. And we have a Crusade Red, 52 of 99 for Boston Celtics, James Young, rookie. And our last hit for Excalibur, Fresh Faces, GU Die-Cut for Chicago Bulls again. Another hit for Chicago Bulls, rookie, Fresh Faces, Doug McDermott. And that's it. Last box is the Exquisite Collection. 2013-2014 Exquisite Collection. Just exquisite collection. Okay. Another box. Okay. So for exquisite, and then we have for Utah Jazz. This is not numbered. Base card. Utah Jazz, the mailman. Karl Malone. And we have a patch autograph number 4 of 199. I just have to check whose team is gonna be this. So Alan Crabb, 4 of 199. Exquisite. And we have our first hit for exquisite, an on-card auto of Mr. Danny Manning. Let me check. Where did it? Oh, I'll probably check later. The teams. And then we have a shadow box auto of Mr. Christian Laettner. Shadow box auto. Rookie autograph. This is number 65 of 99 from Duke. Rodney Hood. I think this will go to the Utah Jazz, but we'll double check. And this will go to Detroit Pistons. 27 of 75 old school signatures of Isaiah Thomas. And last card for this exquisite box, we didn't have Jordan or LeBron, but we have a redemption of I think this will go to the Sixers. So 13-14 exquisite basketball dimensions for Julius Erving. Right. And there you go. Julius Erving. Alright, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for participating, and see you next break. Have a good night, everyone.